Hello sir, my name is Akshay Kumar Meena. I am a student of final year mechanical and my topic is paper battery. Introduction. A paper battery acts as both a high energy battery and supercapacitor, combining two components that are separated in traditional electrons. This technology greatly used by mechanical devices. Paper battery. A paper battery is a flexible ultra thin energy storage and production device formed by combining carbon nanotube with a conventional sheet of cellulose based. The nanomaterials are one dimensional structure with very small diameters. It can be bent and twisted, trimmed with scars, or molded into any needed shape. A paper battery acts as both a high energy battery and supercapacitor. This combination allows the battery to provide both long-term steady power production and burst of energy. It is non-toxic, environment friendly, and everything that a conventional battery is not. Construction. Actually, there are many ways to construct paper batteries. Give below are three ways to create paper batteries. First method involves fabricating zinc and magnesium diode based cathode and anode. The batteries are printed onto paper using standard silk screen printing press. This paper is infused with iron carbon nanotube which are used as electrode. This paper is dipped in a solution of ionic liquid which acts the electrode. The second method is a bite complete and involves growing nanotube on a silicon substrate. The grafts in the matrix are then filled with cellulose, and when the matrix is dried, the combination of cellulose and nanotube is peeled off. These sheets of paper consisting of layering of carbon nanotube are created. Two such sheets are combined together to form a super capacitor with a ionic liquid. The third is a simple method and can be constructed in a laboratory. It involves spreading a specially formed ink of carbon nanotubes or a rectangular sheets of paper coated with an ionic solution. A thin film of lithium is then limited on the other side of the paper. Aluminum rods are then connected to carry current between the two electrodes. Working. Internal option of paper battery is similar to that of conventional batteries, with each battery generally about 1.5 volt. If one can recall, traditional batteries work in the manner where positive charged particles called ions and negative charged particles called electrons move between positive electron called anode and negative electrons called cathode. Current flow as electron flow from anode to cathode through two conductor. Since the electrode is a insulator and don't provide a free path for electron to travel. working. Similarly, in some paper batteries, carbon nanotube acts as cathode. The metal is the anode and paper is the separator. Chemical reaction between metal and electrode result in production of ions, where chemical reaction between carbon and electrodes result is provide of electrons. Their electrons flow from the cathode to anode through the external circle. Applications: paper battery can actually prove benefit for application where probably and size is the main requirement. Modern dynametrics equipments like smart card, digital watches facilities the requirement of thin battery which are long lasting and non topics. When Apple computers won the latest real time express of wearable computers is Google Glasses. It actually is a normal spectacle with an optical head mounted display, and glass is a computer in the form of a pair of eyeglasses and includes an topical head mounted display which allow the user to use a smartphone. It can also be used for low power device like calculators, watch, watches and wireless communication devices like mouse, Bluetooth, headphones, keyboards, etc. Advantage: used as both battery as capacitor. It is fixable. It is ultra thin energy storage device. Long listening, non toxic, steady power production limitations. Since calculation has low shear stress, through batteries have a low strength and can be turned easily. Construction of carbon nanotube is exposing future scopes. It holds great potential and advantage capacitors in provide design of application ranges for boostration to consumer electrodes, hard power system and served by conventional between this paper like qualities of the material make it especially attractive for energy storage in medically implement devices, for example a pacemaker, insulation pump or the implicable chip. Conclusions: a paper battery is a paper like device formed by the combustion of carbon nanotubes and conventional sheet of calcium based paper which acts a fixable, ultra thin energy storage and energy production device. As this technology is adopted, it will prove to be extremely useful and called even save not only cost but lives also. Thank you, sir.